I'm in a dark room because it reflects our future. The Windows 11 must be stopped video was misunderstood by several people. No, you can't just turn off Secure Boot and TPM because the whole point of the video is that everything is set up now to where if they decide to release PCs without the ability to turn off Secure Boot and TPM, now you're locked into Windows, deal with it. That's the whole point. The entire environment is set up to where now they just flip one switch, take one option away, and you're locked into a Surface RT or a smartphone with a locked bootloader, except it's a normal PC. General purpose computing dies. That was the whole point, but somehow people keep missing it. Deal with it.